Hi guys, and thank you for joining. So, a couple of weeks ago, we went to this little town of Elora, and it had a sewing school basically kind of going out of business, and they put up a lot of their elements, a lot of like fringes and fabrics outside free for everyone to take. So, here's some footage of that. I definitely stocked up on all of these things, not really knowing fully what I was gonna do, but then the inspiration came when I went onto the website of one of my favorite stores, which is Anthropologie. They have a line of really cozy, very kind of boho inspired pillows that I thought was very similar to all of the elements that I just gotten from this kind of giveaway. So in the price range of Anthropologie items is definitely higher than what I am prepared to purchase. So this was a great idea, I thought. I'm not gonna be going through all of the step-by-steps because really all I'm doing is a very basic stitch, very basic sewing stitch, kind of like back and forth, nothing very fancy. Hopefully this tutorial kind of inspires you to maybe take all of the pieces that you might have, leftover pieces of fabrics or anything you can recycle and reuse, and create something similar for yourself. And I hope you enjoyed this, and I'm gonna actually try to do a second pillow video with more of a colorful pillow, that because I have a lot of colorful elements as well. So I hope you enjoyed this, and please subscribe and share, and please hit the bell notification icon so that you receive all of the newest videos from me if you enjoyed this video. Thank you. Bye.